Welcome back to another Roblox tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop so you can start playing right away. Downloading Roblox on a computer is very simple and we'll be grabbing it directly from the official Roblox website, roblox.com.to. Begin. Open any web browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or whichever one you prefer and go to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Once you're signed in, choose any Roblox game from the home page. I'll click on this one as an example. Next, hit the large play button. Since Roblox isn't installed on your computer yet, instead of launching the game, it will prompt you to download and install Roblox. Go ahead and click that option. Save the installation file to your computer. Then open the file you just downloaded. Roblox will begin installing automatically on your PC or laptop when the installation finishes. You'll see a message saying that Roblox was successfully installed. Click OK. Now return to the game page and press the play button again. You might get a window asking which application to use. Just choose Roblox and select Open Link. After that, Roblox will start up and you'll be ready to begin playing on your PC or laptop, and that's how you download Roblox on a computer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. For more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.